Did you know that HVAC systems consume 70% of the power in commercial buildings? It's crucial to address their efficiency. Over time, older HVAC systems become inefficient, consuming more power and delivering less tonnage, leading to increased cost and environmental impact. Luckily, there's a solution: HVAC performance audits. We specialize in conducting these audits for five-star hotels, hospitals, data centers, corporate offices, restaurants, industries, and manufacturing plants, etc. Our experts assess your HVAC systems, identifying inefficiencies and areas for improvements. By conducting these audits, we help you save money and create a sustainable future. Upgrading to an energy efficient HVAC system reduces power consumption, improves indoor air quality, and enhances occupant comfort. Join us on the path to sustainability. Contact me in person on the displayed email and phone number today and unlock the potential of your HVAC system.